Welcome
Everybody,
to another Patch Pad
vlog.
Okay, so you're wondering, this is a different situation. You don't usually have things when you're laying down. Like I said, we're always trying to do new things because why not?
Yeah, pretty much.
We're going to actually do a review of a toy that we both got at Walmart. It's part 2 of 3 of our anniversary gifts we got.
Yeah.
So we'll show you the part 1 of the gifts that we got each other. So yeah, our 1-year anniversary is actually, our 2-year anniversary is on the 21st of this month. So that's really cool for us because we thought, okay, we could easily just do 2 gifts since it's 2 years, but nah, it's fine. We'll just do 3. So as you guys don't know, but we actually like the game Destiny series. So
Apparently, I thought I would never get into it. I thought I wouldn't.
yeah.
But somehow, some way, I did.
Oh, so you actually saw it. So yeah, we got ourselves 2 Destiny diecast McFarlane figures. Not sponsored by any of these brands, just a heads up. But I got Titan.
And I got the Warlock. Now, in the game, we play as the Hunter. But
We're gonna get that figure and also Salandin. I think that's what it is. It is, yeah, Salandin, Lord Salandin. So this is what it looked like for the Hunter. And there's Lord Salandin.
Yep.
Excellent.
And of course, the bonus, we also got discount on 2 little styluses. Yes.
That's not part of our 3 gifts.
No, it's not. This little thing right here. I'm giving Katie not Plucky. I'm giving her red because she's been playing Pokemon Fire Red, and I got the silver one because, well, I played Pokemon Silver. So yeah.
And so then you're thinking, okay, so that's interesting.
Yeah.
And then we got this at Walmart. Not sponsored by this company of Pixel Pals, but yeah, you're thinking, where did it go, right? And here he is.
It's Link.
White Link, to be exact. And then look at this. Now, you just need 2 AAA batteries, which is really not that bad. And you light it up, you're thinking, whoa. So let's show you a little dark image. We never actually been, we've been in the dark, just never like in a room.
Yeah, make it more dramatic.
I'm ready.
Reveal the light. Ooh.
It gets really bright.
It does. I mean, you can barely see Link because it's so bright.
It's a very nice look.
Oh, that looks cool. Oh, whoa! I can actually see Link from a different, like an illusion. That's pretty cool.
So
I hope you guys can see that. That's pretty awesome.
On to Patches' turn. Here
Yes.
you go.
Turn the lights on.
And we're back. So what do you want to show us, Patches?
Well, the one I got is basically Oh wait, where's Mario? Oh, never mind. There it is. Yes, as a kid I just liked Luigi, but apologies to my buddy Charlie, I like Mario. Sorry.
That's okay. So let's light up this bad boy and see what it looks like.
All right.
Right back, folks.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da!
Nice lighting. I mean, you really cannot really see it because of the glare, but I mean, it's not bad. I mean, really, you can't see it at all. Can you lean it towards me? More. I can see a shade. Okay. Do more closer. A little closer. There you go. There you go, folks. We see Mario. That's a good image. Alright, stay tuned for the next segment.
Okay, Paddles, you ready?
Yes. So yeah, we actually looked at the footage and you did not really see White Link. So this is what he looks like. I'm gonna get closer to you guys so maybe you can see it more.
Voila!
Looks a lot better?
Looks a lot better.
Oh yeah. Perfect.
Phew.